Good morning, everybody. Let us see lecture number 6, chapter number 5. Last time we were discussing the differentiation of a function is of this form. A function is of this form, that is in exponential form. Power is also variable. That means variable raised to variable is given. Then what we have to take? Then we have to take log on both sides here, and therefore log y is equal to g of x log f of x. Then we have to differentiate it. So last time we were seeing this thing. And same time, if more than two functions are given in product form, in division form, or in mixed form, then we have to take log on both sides. Yeah. So let us say today more examples based on such things. See. Find dy by dx if y raised to x plus x raised to x is equal to a raised to b. Suppose that u is equal to y raised to x, v is equal to x raised to y, and w is equal to x raised to x. So therefore what we get? U plus v plus w is equal to a raised to b. One question arises, why we are not supposing a raised to b? Because a raised to b is a constant term. So now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. D by dx of u plus v plus w is equal to d by dx of a raised to b. So therefore what we get? Du by dx with addition rule for differentiation. dv by dx plus dw by dx is equal to 0. Equation number 1. See, here it is given of this form. Y raised to x, x raised to y plus x raised to x. We can't take log directly because it is given in addition form. And last time already told, there is no rule for log of x plus y. This is reason we have to suppose u be w. Okay? Yes. Okay. Now differentiate one by one. Find out dv by dx, dv by dx, dw by dx. Substitute here and make dv by dx as a head. Now see, this question is of 4 marks. Yeah. So don't worry. Of course it is lengthy, but it is of the 4 marks. What is u? Y raised to x. Now u is equal to y raised to x. And therefore what is log u? Log y raised to x to the base e. Taking log on both sides. Apply logarithmic rule. And therefore log u is equal to x log y base e. If we are not going to mention base, then we have to understand that that is e. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So what we get here? And therefore d by dx of log u is equal to d by dx of x log y. Here simple form is there, here product of two form is there. So apply here product rule and here simple. What is d by dx of log of some function? 1 upon some function into d by dx of some function. Here product is there, so we apply product rule. First function as it is, derivative of second one, Second one is the derivative of first one. Okay. So du by dx is equal to u. X is it is log some function 1 upon some function d by dx of some function plus this one is 1. So log y. Replace value of u. What is u? Y raised to x is equal to x by y dy by dx plus log y. So result number 2. Now what is v? V is x raised to y and w is x raised to x. Now v is x raised to y. So log v is equal to log x to the power y. On the same line. So log v is equal to y log x. Once again differentiate with respect to x. What we get? D by dx of log v is equal to d by dx of y log x. So what we get here? Log sum form is given. See, log sum function is given. So what we get? 1 by some function d by dx of some function. Here once again put a group. So apply y as it is d by dx of log x. Log x as it is d by dx of 1. So therefore dv by dx is equal to d of y log some function 1 by some function d by dx of some function. Write dy by dx first. Dy by dx into log x. Replace value. That is x to the power y by x plus dy by dx into log x. Equation number 3. What is w? W is nothing but w is equal to x raised to x. So take log on both sides. Log w is equal to log x to the power x. So log w is equal to x log x. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Okay. So what we get? D by dx of log w is equal to d by dx of x log x. So what we get here? On same line we are moving. Log some function 1 by some function d by dx of some function 1 by some function d by dx of some function x as it is d by dx of second function. Second one is derivative of first one. Yes or no? Yes. So what we get here? And therefore dw by dx is equal to w. X log some function 1 by some function d by dx of some function 1 into log x. Replace value of w. X raised to x 1 plus log x. So equation number 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4. And therefore by 1, 2, 3, and 4. First of all, du by dx. What is du by dx? Du by dx is this one. to x, x by y divided by dx. Y raised to x, x by y divided by dx. Y raised to x, x by y divided by dx. Plus, perhaps log y, let us see. Plus log y. Plus log y. Now, x to the power y. Y by x. X to the power y. Y by x. Into dy by dx into log x. See that? dy by dx into log x. Plus x to the power x, 1 plus log x equal to 0. Now collect the term consisting dy. So generate here y raised to x over y, that is y raised to x minus 1 into x into dy by dx. Plus x to the power y into log x into dy by dx. See that this term consisting dy by dx, here it is dy by dx, this term together with this term dy by dx is there. So take it, rest of them as it is, plus what we get, y raised to x log y. From here, x raised to y minus 1 into y plus x raised to x into 1 plus log x. If we take it same time on right hand side, then minus of this one. Yes or no? Yes. So what is divided by dx? And therefore dy by dx is equal to minus of this one as it is here, and this one is here. So this is the 4 marks example. Next one, let us see. Here. What is given? This type of sum already is solved. So take log on both sides and solve this one. Raised to half is there. Then log x by log y means log x minus log y. Here product, so log x plus log y, log product of 3 functions, log x minus 3 plus log x minus 4 plus log x minus 5. So you can take it, and if I take log, I am writing directly that step, log y is equal to if I take y is equal to this one raised to half, then log y is equal to half of log of this one. So that is equal to half of these minus these, log these minus log these. Clear? So this one is here and this one is here. So what we get? Half of log of x minus 1 plus log of x minus 2 minus log of x minus 3 minus log of x minus 4 minus log of x minus 5. Bracket. Now this is the differential. See, whenever product of more than 2 functions are given, it is very easy to differentiate if we take log on both sides. Here cos, all form cos are given. That means combination of sine and cos. Combination of sine and cos in any form. 2 sine, 1 cos, 2 sine, whatever may be given to us. Just take log on both sides and differentiate it. So y is equal to cos x. What is given? Y is equal to cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. So take log on both sides. Log y is equal to log cos x into log cos 2x into cos 3x. So this implies log y is equal to log cos x, log cos 2x, log cos 3x. Otherwise, you need to apply product rule for three functions. That step is so lengthy. But if we take it log, then it is very easy for us. So what we have to write? Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. What do we get here? D by dx of log y is equal to d by dx of all this one. Log cos x plus log cos 2x plus log cos 3x. So that is equal to, therefore, log something 1 by something d by dx of something. Du by dx. Separate term by term. D by dx of log cos x plus d by dx of log cos 2x plus d by dx of log cos 3x. Yes or no? Yes. So what we get? And therefore du by dx is equal to u. Log some function 1 by some function d by dx of some function same way, d by dx of some function 1 by some function d by dx of some function. That is complete. So that is equal to replace u as it is. Cos of function minus sin some function into d by dx of some function. Same part here. Minus cos some function sin some function into d by dx of some function. Here same way, cos some function minus sin some function over cos some function d by dx of some function. Clear? Let us replace value. Sorry, not u but y is this. Here y is this. Say dy by dx 1 by y, dy by dx y. Now replace value of y. What is value of y? Cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x into. See, everyone said minus sin is there. So take it outside, minus sin x over cos x, that comes out 10x. Derivative of 2x is 2. So 2 times 10, 2x. This minus sign here will be taken outside. D by dx of 3x is 3. So 3 and 3. So this is the answer. Okay? Very simple sum. That means whenever product of 2 or more functions are given, then if you take log on both sides, it is very easy to differentiate it. Yeah? Yes. Now see one thing. Here this is u and this is v. Here y is equal to log x raised to cos x. Take log on both sides. Then differentiate it. Take u and just v. Fourth one. Let us see this one. Fourth one. Ready? Y is equal to u minus v. Suppose where u is equal to x raised to x and v is equal to 2 raised to sin x, and therefore y is equal to u minus v implies dy by dx is equal to d by dx of u minus v. That we know. Here apply difference rule for differentiation. How to get du by dx minus dv by dx as result number 1. Now u is equal to x raised to x. You know that how to find dy by du by dx. Already seen, so I am not repeating here. Du by dx is nothing but x raised to x into 1 plus log x. That we know very well. So this part I am doing for you. What is v? V is equal to 2 raised to sin x. Here it is not power raised to power. Variable raised to variable form is not given, the exponential form is given. dv by dx is equal to d by dx of 2 raised to sin x. So what is a raised to some function, log a base e, d by dx of some function. So 2 raised to sin x d by d log 2 base e as it is, cos some function d by dx of some function. So what we get here? See? That is equal to cos x, first of all log 2 base e. Log 2 base e, sorry. Cos x into 2 raised to sin x into log 2 base e. And what is d by dx is 1. So result number 2. By 1 and 2 and 3, sorry. And therefore by 1, 2 and 3. What is dy by dx? First of all du by dx. That is x raised to x 1 plus log x, that we know, minus this thing, cos x 2 raised to sin x into log 2 base e. Very simple way we can obtain it. Now see here. See. So it is very easy to differentiate this type of sums. Here see. What we have to take? Here we have to take logarithmic form. Y is equal to x plus 3 whole square, x plus 4 whole cube, x plus 5 whole raised to 4. So take log on both sides. Log y is equal to log of x plus 3 whole square, x plus 4 whole cube, x plus 5 whole raised to 4. So what? This implies log y is equal to log of x plus 3 whole square, product rule for logarithmic function. Log of x plus 4 whole cube plus log of x plus 5 raised to 4. So once again we need to apply rules. This implies log y is equal to 2 log x plus 3 log x plus 4 plus 4 log x plus 5. Now it is very easy easy differentiate it. 1 by y by dx is equal to 2 log some function 1 by some function. So rest of what I am doing for you. Next one, see here. See. So let us say y is equal to u plus v. U is this one, v is this one. Take log on both sides, very easy. See. Here also y is equal to u plus v. U is this one, v is this one. Okay. Here also y is equal to u plus v. U is this thing, v is this thing. Here we have to differentiate directly. And here we have to take log. Here also we have to take log. Let us see this one. Let us see this one. This one, y is equal to, yes, y is equal to u plus v, where u is equal to x plus 1 by x raised to x, and v is equal to x raised to the power 1 plus 1 by x, no problem. Now y is equal to u plus v. If we differentiate it with respect to y, dy by dx, therefore, is equal to d by dx of u plus v. Yes. That is equal to f by addition rule for differentiation. What we get? Du by dx plus dv by dx is number 1. Now solve u and v. What is u? U is equal to x plus 1 by x to the power x. So once again take log on both sides. And therefore log u is equal to log x plus 1 by x to the power x. So therefore log u is equal to x log x plus 1 by x. And now we can simplify further because there is no rule for log of x plus 1. So we have to differentiate it. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides. D by dx of log u is equal to d by dx of x log x plus 1 by x. Now, what is d by dx of log some function? 1 by some function d by dx of some function. Here we have to apply product rule. X is d by dx of log of x plus 1 by x plus log of x plus 1 by x is equal to dx by dx. That we know. Okay. So what we get here? And therefore du by dx is equal to u x into log some function 1 by some function d by dx of some function plus log x plus 1 by x. See here. That is equal to u. Take x and c. X square over x plus 1. Now derivative to both one. Dx by dx plus d by dx of 1 by x plus log of x plus 1 by x. Agree with me? Yeah. And that is equal to u x square over x plus 1. What we get here? 1 minus 1 by x square. Why? Derivative of x is 1 and d by dx of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Rest of term is log of x plus 1 by x. Take LCM here. U x square over x plus 1 into x square minus 1 over x square. Yes or no? Yes. Plus log of x plus 1 by x. What we get here? Here we get x square plus 1. So that is equal to u means 1 plus 1 by x raised to x square cancel, x square minus 1 over x square plus 1. Rest of part as it is second one. Log of x plus 1 by x. So result number 2, not 3. First one is result number 1. This one is 1. This one is result number 2. Now what is b? X to the power 1 plus 1 by x. So next what? Differentiate. So for n usual we'll take log on both sides. X to the power 1 by x. So log b is equal to 1 plus 1 by x into log x. Yes or no? See. X to the power 1 plus 1 by x. Then here x plus 1 by x is given to that. Here and here 1 plus 1 by x is given. See. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides. What we get? D by dx of log b is equal to d by dx of 1 plus 1 by x into log x. And therefore 1 by b dv by dx. Why? Log sum form is given. Log sum form means 1 by sum form into d by dx of sum form or some function. Now here we have to apply product rule. 1 plus 1 by x as it is d by dx of log x plus what we have to see? Log x as it is d by dx of 1 plus 1 by x. And therefore what we get? dv by dx is equal to v 1 plus 1 by x into log sum function 1 by sum function d by dx of sum function. Log x is it is root derivative of 1 0 1 by sum function minus 1 by sum function square into d by dx of sum function, that is x, so it comes out 1. So that is equal to v. Take LCM. X over x plus 1 into 1 by x. See, this comes out minus 1 by x square. Minus 1 by x square into log x. Now replace value of p. X raised to 1 plus 1 by x get cancelled, 1 over x plus 1 minus 1 by x square into log x. So this is the dv by dx. So result number 3. And therefore by 1, 2 and 3 dy by dx is equal to equation 2 plus equation 3. Yeah. So here, this part is here, this part is this one. Okay. So in this way we can obtain this thing. Okay. Yeah. And everyone are of 4 mark sums. Now it is easy to obtain this one. Same way it is easy to obtain this one. So I am leaving this 2 part for you. Next, see here. What is given? On same line. See. If I take y is equal to u plus v is this one, u is this one. Same way. Y is equal to u plus v. U is this part, v is this part. Here it is ordinary form, v is ordinary form. So directly we will take the division rule. And here we will take log on both sides. Then it is very easy to differentiate it. Okay. So I would like to solve example number 11. X cos x raised to x, x sin x raised to 1 by x. So let us see that one. Once again is a 4 marks question. 11. Suppose y is equal to u plus v. Where what is u? X cos x raised to x. X cos x raised to x. And what is v? X sin x raised to 1 by x. See? Yes or no? Yes. So y is equal to u plus v is given. So what will be the dy by dx here? And therefore y is equal to u plus v imply dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Say result number 1. Now u is equal to x cos x raised to x. X cos x raised to x. Now we can take log on both sides. So u is equal to x cos x raised to x. So take log on both sides. Log u is equal to log x cos x raised to x. See here. Therefore, what we can apply properties of logarithmic function. Log u is equal to log x to the power n x log x cos x. Dear friend, here also product is there. So apply that property here. Log u is equal to x of log x plus log cos x. Yes or no? Yes. So that is equal to x log x plus x log cos x. And that is our log u. See, when you are taking log on both sides, then apply all the rules and regulations of logarithmic function to get the most simplified step. If you get most simplified step, then it is very easy to differentiate. So up to most simplified step is that. So now what we have to do? Differentiate with respect to x. So d by dx of u is equal to d by dx of x log x plus x log cos x. Taking d by dx on both sides. Next, and therefore 1 by u du by dx 1 log some function 1 by some function d by dx of some function. Give derivative to what one? X log x plus d by dx of x log cos x. See, in both examples we will write only one sum. So please write every step. Not, of course, as far as J is concerned or Busquet is concerned, we can skip so many steps. But for written exam, we have to write each and every step because there is a mark scheme. For the first two step, half mark, half. Likewise, that part of marking system is there. So write every step. And therefore, 1 by u du by dx is equal to apply product rule. X as it is, d by dx of log x as it is, d by dx of x first function plus x as it is, d by dx of log cos x plus log cos x as it is, d by dx of x. So what we get here? And therefore du by dx is equal to u. Log of some form x into log of some form 1 by some form d by dx of some form. So here it comes out log x. This one is 1. Plus x log some form 1 by some form d by dx of some form. Here log 6. Now replace value of u. That is equal to x cos x raised to x. Here you get 1. Here we get log x cos of some function minus x of sine of some function over cos x into d by dx of some function plus log cos x. So that is equal to x cos x raised to x 1 plus log x minus sin x over cos x, that comes out 10x. X 10x plus log cos x. Agree with me? Yeah. Say result number 2. Here. Once again, is a 4 marks question. Du by dx. Now let us see what it means. X sin x raised to 1 by x. What is v? Now v is equal to x sin x raised to 1 by x. Once again, same line. Take log. Log v is equal to log x sin x raised to 1 by x. Apply rule. Log v is equal to 1 by x log x sin x. One question arises, can't we differentiate directly? Of course you can differentiate directly also. But if we apply the rules, then it is easy. So 1 by x log x plus 1 by x log sin x. Why we get this one? Because log x5. Log x sin x is equal to log x plus log sin x. Outside 1 by x is there. So 1 by x log x plus 1 by x log sin x. So this one is the simplified form. Here. Now differentiate it with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So d by dx of log v is equal to d by dx of 1 by x log x 1 by x log sin x. Okay. So here we know that is 1 by v into dv by dx. Now give to both from differentiation. 1 by x log x plus d by dx of 1 by x log sin x. Yes or no? Yes. So what we get here? And therefore 1 by v dv by dx is equal to product rule. Here also product rule and here also product. 1 by x d by dx of log x plus log x into d by dx of x plus 1 by x as it is d by dx of log sin x log sin x as it is d by dx of 1 by x. Okay. So what we get? dv by dx. dv by dx is equal to v of 1 by x is a log sum form, 1 by sum form into d by dx of some function plus it comes out log x 1 by x log sum form 1 by sum form d by dx of sum form. What is derivative of 1 by x? Minus 1 by x, so write it d by dx of sum form into log sin x as it is 1 by something minus 1 by something square d by dx of something. So that is equal to v. This comes out 1 by x square plus this comes out log x d by dx of sin some form cos some form d by dx of some form. And here what we get? Minus 1 by x square log sin x. Where is the dx by dx is 1? Now replace value of v. What is value of v? X sin x raised to 1 by x 1 by x square plus log x plus 1 by x cot x minus 1 by x square log sin x. We can take 1 by x as common also. You can write it also. Cell number 3. And therefore by 1, 2, 3. And therefore by 1, 2, and 3. What is dy by dx? du by dx plus dv by dx. Where it is? See? This is this one is our du by dx and this one is our dv by dx. Replace that with here, then you get the answer. It's a 4 marks question. Okay. 4 marks question. Same way you can solve this two also. Okay. Next one. Now see. Okay. This type of sum already seen. X raised to y plus y raised to x plus x raised to x is equal to this thing. So here it will take u and v. U plus v is equal to 1. This is u, this is v. Du by dx plus dv by dx is equal to 1. Sorry, is equal to 0. Find out that derivative. Replace here, then you get the answer. That is here for 13. Y to the power x, x to the power y. Take log on both sides. Log y to the power x is equal to log x to the power y. What do you get here? X log y is equal to y log x. Now it is easy to differentiate it. Sorry. And for this one, take log cos x raised to the power y is equal to log cos y to the power x. So what we get here? Y log cos x is equal to x log cos y. Apply product rule, differentiate it. Here also you need to use product rule, here also you need to use product rule. And differentiate it. Very easy. Okay. Here let us see example number 15. xy is equal to, example number 15. xy is equal to e raised to the power x minus y. On one side it is exponential form, on the other one side is just xy. Take log on both sides, and therefore log xy is equal to log e to the power x minus y. Base is not given, that we have understood, that is e. And we know that log a base a to the power x, that comes out x only. So here both are same. Applying this formula, what we get? And therefore log xy is equal to x minus y. Here, applying this standard forms. Clear? Now see. Once again, apply properties of logarithmic function. And therefore log x plus log y is equal to x minus y. Now it is very easy to differentiate it. Apply that rule. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So what we need to do? Take d by dx on both sides. So d by dx of log x plus log y is equal to d by dx of x minus y. Here we need to use the additive properties of differences, and then here difference of the derivative. Use that to property. And therefore d by dx of log x plus d by dx of log y. Here difference is there, so apply difference property. D by dx of dx minus dy by dx. Very simple form. Now once again apply that rule. D by dx of log some function is equal to 1 by some function into d by dx of some function. So that comes out 1 by x into d by dx of x. Same way, what about log y? 1 by y d by dx of y. On right hand side it is 1 minus dy by dx. So what we get here? 1 by x plus 1 by y divided by dx is equal to 1 minus dy by dx. Take this term on left hand side and 1 by x on right hand side. And so what we get here? So dy by dx plus 1 by y dy by dx. We are taking dy by dx on left hand side and same time I am taking 1 by x from right hand side. 1 minus 1 by x. So very simple form is that. So take dy by dx common from left hand side. Right hand side as it is. Take LCM. So what we get here? Therefore y plus 1 over y into dy by dx is equal to x minus 1 over x. Now make dy by dx as a head. And therefore dy by dx is equal to y goes in numerator. Here x minus 1 and that comes in numerator quantity y plus 1. And this is the dy by dx. Yeah. So let us see next one. Yes. See. Find the derivative of function given by this product of how many functions are there? 4 forms are there. Then also obtain f dash 1. See, here what is given there? Here f of x is equal to 1 plus x, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x raised to 4, 1 plus x raised to 8 is given. Take log on both sides. Log of fx is equal to log of all these forms are there. So what we get? This implies log f of x is equal to log of 1 plus x, log of 1 plus x square are there, plus log 1 plus x raised to 4 is there, log 1 plus x raised to 8 is there. So now we can differentiate it easily. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So take d by dx, log f of x is equal to d by dx of all these 4 forms are there. So what we get here? Log some form is equal to 1 by some form into d by dx of some form, that is our f dash x. Now that is equal to d by dx of first form x plus 1 plus d by dx of x square plus 1. Can I write it this way? Yes, we can write it. Plus d by dx of x raised to 4 plus 1 plus d by dx of, that should be log of x raised to 4 plus 1 d by dx of log of x raised to 8 plus 1. Okay. So now once again we need to apply log sum form. And therefore, can I write f dash x is equal to fx? Now see, d by dx of log sum form, what we get? 1 over x plus 1 d by dx of x plus 1 plus log of x square plus 1 is given to us. That is equal to 1 by x square plus 1 d by dx of x square plus 1 plus 1 by x raised to 4 plus 1 into d by dx of x raised to 4 plus 1 plus 1 over x raised to 8 plus 1 d by dx of x raised to 8 plus 1. Okay. And see, this is our replace it. Now applying simplified form. So f(x) is equal to fx. What can you say about this one? That is 1 over x plus 1. Derivative of x square, that is 2x into dx by dx, that is 1 over x square plus 1. Here what we get? 4x cube over x raised to 4 plus 1. Here 8x raised to 7 over x raised to 8 plus 1. Okay? Apply here value of fx, and therefore f plus x is equal to 1 plus x, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x raised to 4, 1 plus x raised to 8 into remaining distance 1 over x plus 1, 2x over x square plus 1. See, that as it is. 4x cube over x raised to 4 plus 1, 8x raised to 7 over x raised to 8 plus 1. See, what do we want? We want the derivative of this function, and hence find n plus 1. So just replace value, and therefore what is n plus 1? 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2. Here 1 over 2 plus 2 over 2, yes, 4 over 2, yes, 8 over 2. 2 is LCM, that cancel. 2 to the 4 to the 8, 2 LCM, 2 get that 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8, that is 8 into 15. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 4 plus 15. This is the answer. That is 1. Next one. See here. Here we want to differentiate this function in 3 ways below by using product rule. Say u and v. Then by expanding the product, that means take x square into x square, x cube into x cube, x square into 7, take usually simplified form. And then logarithmic form is take log on both sides. So first of all, y is equal to x square minus 5x plus 8, x cube plus 7x plus 9. Apply product rule and differentiate it. Second one, these two forms are given to here. This one is here, this one is here. Take ordinary simplification, then find derivative. And third one, y is equal to these two forms are given. Take log y is equal to log of this form plus log of this form. Here it comes out here and that form comes out here. Now differentiate it. And see, do they all give the same answer? Yes. You are applying various 3 methods. Okay. So today let us see up to this stage. Next time we are going to see more example. Thank you, dear friends.